Okay, this is how you add the graphics to the Excel dev spreadsheet. So you select here from B23 to C28, and then you go to Insert Charts, Recommended Charts, Pie Charts, Chart Design, select Style 3, then it says Select. What I want to try to do is select all 5 of them at the same time. Okay. There. And then I can see if I can do this. Trying to select these things. Okay. So I got all 5 selected. I'm going to hit this tab here and click on number. And I'll go to percentage with 1 decimal place. And hit enter. See here. There. Now it shows them all. When I added it, goes to 1 decimal place. And you want to make sure it fits. Overall, it's the cells in that particular region. And there's your chart. Save your file. Oh, label it. Top 5 causes of death. Top 5 causes of death. There's your chart with percents to 1 decimal place.